No splitter, bro.
Sa hiwalay na pahayag ng APEC leaders kanina umaga, hindi mapili ang mga miyembro ng ASEAN o
Sino penetrate ulit dito? Murale. Kita.
Cooperation and solidarity is the only answer
No
that will lead all
crapets.
of us to a better tomorrow. Ng kalakalan, i-apolitika at seguridad. Ayon kanina, hindi makabili Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang ibang leader ng APEC na muling buhay sa report ng World Trade Organization. Isa itong mekanismo na dumidikit sa mga trade dispute ng iba't ibang bansa na hindi na nakapagpapalagay simula pa noong 2019 dahil sa kawalan ng fondo ng Marcos. Maraming mga Estados Unidos ang pagtatanda ng mga bagong
What are you saying?
Samantala, bukas, Sabado, November 1, inaasahan na magsasara na ang APEC Plus Club 5 at ang ating inaasahan ay yung paglalabas nila ng APEC Leaders Declaration. Isa itong dokumento na nagbabalangkas doon sa mga pulisiyang na nagkasuloan ng APEC Leaders ngayong taon.
Maraming salamat, Katrina. Time na naman ang namumulong dagdag presyo ng diesel sa susunod na linggo. Pati ang presyo ng gasolina at kerosene nagbabalik tumaas. Pero may tutol sa mga timely rollback sa lithium price ng gas bukas November 1. Nang mapalitaan, may namumulo na namang dagdag presyo sa diesel sa susunod na linggo. Nakakatalang ng 2% momento ang Martes. Sa unang 4 na araw kasi ng trading, nasa mahigit 2 pesos na ang hindi pa sa presyo ng diesel sa world market, lagpas piso naman sa gasolina at kerosene. Sa bayan ng
Tapos ka naman namin isang oras na lang.
sa 2.50 hanggang 12.50 ang magiging pagtaas sa diesel sa susunod na linggo. 170 naman sa gasolina, pero imbis na igit ng mga tsuper ang isang dagdag pasahe ang lumaki ang kita, mas gusto nila pataan na lang ang presyo ng diesel para hindi rin
Pwede, sayang naman.
Parang ko na sinabi mo si Joy na pala.
Ano daw?
Sinabi mo daw ko pera. Nakikisari din sa amin.
Niyeta kayong dalawa, pagkasakalin ko kayo. Kay JJ. Sabi niya kay Nene, kunin mo yung toothbrush na violet. Sabi ni Ate Ria, di kinuha na yun ni Jojo. Ay, kini Nene. Pagpunta yun ni Dada Didi, binigay. Sabi ko, hindi ko toothbrush na Jojo. Tapos pag agad ni Jojo yung pinto, sabi ni Nene, para ka talaga Jojo. Toothbrush kasi ni Jojo yun, hindi naman akin. Pero ito si Nene, kaya tamad daw sa mababa.
I'm joking you.
Ano? Wala ka sa pero OT ka ng OT ngayon pa.
Samantala, nagkakusunan ng piso ng rollback sa LPG ang mga sa Regasco simula bukas November 1. Sa $17 na 1
Environmental Management Bureau. Ito ay resulta ng ilang boat survey na isinagawa sa mga kontinenteng tubig ng Strait. Nasa 17 coastal barangays na rin sa bayan ng Magpuyod at Baguio City ang apektado, habang tumataas din ang mga naaapektuhan sa bawat araw. Nauna rito bumigay ang bahaging pader ng 20 hektaryang wastewater lagoon ng ethanol distillery, pagkakasindol at malakas na ulan sa lalawigan ng linggo. Nagsagawa na rin ng emergency hearing ang Negros Oriental Provincial Government para tugunan ang cases. Alamin naman natin na mainit na panahon mula kay ABS-CBN resident meteorologist Ariel. Ariel, mamulan ba ngayon last weekend at ano ang update sa binabantayan low pressure area?
Sir, may mga pagulang aasahan ngayong weekend lalo po sa aman. Kalimutang magbago yung sa mga simenteryo. Samantala, dalawa na ang monitor na low pressure area ng pag-aaral na ng LPA nasa West Philippine Sea. 150 kilometers west-southwest ng Palawan at ang pag-asa inaasahang magiging ang pangalawang natin na mara sa batas ng Philippine Area of Responsibility ay mataan halos 1,600 kilometers lahat ng northeastern Mindanao. Sa ngayon, ang epekto sa bansa ang El
Ano ba?
Edit.
Edit ka? Ganda yung edit mo? Love you, Chich. Nangutot mo na mga kataan ako. Sobra. In.
Ito po sa gitna tinibubang bahagi ng ating bansa. Lalakas din ang alutan ngayong weekend at kung yung mga kaapekto pa ang shear light na bahagi ng northern at central Luzon. Sabit naman po ng linggo, November 2 ay hindi pumasok na ng PDR ang sama ng panahon mula silangan. Kasi hindi pumasok po ito ng translate ng bagyo sa loob ng PDR. Tawagin po ito sa loob ng PDR. Kasi ito, mga po dyan sa mas karagam nila kung hindi ko sa muna sa test ng susunod na linggo. Magabago pa ng ating pagtaya o kung sa potensyal na dito, naman tama yung tukoy dito. Sa rin po, forecast ng Sabat at Linggo ang pagkakulan ang shear light dyan sa Amerika.
Chich, paa mo na. Kimi kay baby? Ano, baby? Kaya nga yan. Eh, tas, huwag ka na lang mag-OT bukas, baby. Wala.
Mahilig ka rin sa email?
Sa Biliran, Imaras at dyan po sa Panay, Rusya lang Aklan. Maulan din dito na madaling araw dyan sa Aklan at dito po sa may Southern Negros at sa Leyte provinces na ang kuya ng linggo. Pagsapit ng gabi ng pagulan, ng Central Cebu, yung din dyan sa probinsya ng Capiz. Sa Mindanao, maulan,
makers of JSP ini-invite report ng DTI sa Pilipino. Napanood ito sa official DTI social media pages at syempre ABS-CBN
Pagsabi naman ng linggo, hapon na magpipila ang mga pagulan sa
Nasa DTI Philippines yung kasama sa gym ah.
Saan?
Ito.
owner JSP the makers of JSP ini-invite na report DTI at Pilipino. Ay papanood ito sa social media pages at syempre ABS-CBN
Kaya gumuho ang bahagi ng tol si Balong Antique na Convento na sinukuyan ng sa malakas na dal. Sa buong video ang live kung saan sila pa sa kalsadang umaapaw na ang ahas. Nadaanan lang
Katawan mula sa baseline ng world number 51 na si Alex at world number 21 na si Victoria Boko. Nakuha pero bumawi si pero nakahugot ng lakas si Boko lalo na sa serve sa magkasunod na 5 game. Nagyakapan ang magkalaban pagkatapos ng match. Sa post-game press con, inamin niya ang mahirap kalabanin si Iyala na malapit sa kanya noong juniors pa sila.
This is little baby. Temptation is on the
Nangyari si Boko at ang pamunaan ng pagpapalapit sa suporta ng mga Pilipino para kay Iyala.
Chika.
Yes,
Love you, Chika.
real.
Proud pa rin si Iyala sa kanyang ipinakita sa laban para sa kanya. Maganda para sa kanyang
May Witcher na rin pala, baby. Hindi, yung season 4.
Hindi naman natin yung kahit yung
Hindi, pinanood natin yun.
kung sino.
Una, 2, 3, pinanood natin lahat yun, baby.
Hindi ka naman tanda.
Matagal kasi nasandan eh. Chichi, pinapala natin yung cake.
Ano yung sinasabi ko?
The Green Reaper.
I know exactly what you mean. What did you select, sir? I selected the vulture. The vulture. Why? I like doing animals. All right, bakers. Now that you have your items, it's time
Medyo
to get
pinaparang ko
that
rin yung
tree.
paso. Dami ko pang napapatay.
Meet your baking assistants. Oh, since you were the winner,
Yes.
Hindi ka akin man.
cake, you get first pick.
Love you.
Hindi ka ulit.
I built a
Hindi
relationship.
na kayo sa tingin. Ang ganda mo yan.
Our actions mesh well with my own. And that person is Vanessa.
Vanessa! Flight! Oh. Andrea! Who would you like as your baking assistant?
They're all amazing. It's a really tough pick, but I think I'm gonna go with Regina.
Regina! Her Majesty! And finally, Ronnie, who do you choose?
I'm gonna go with Rhea.
Ito. Mahina pa rin.
With the beat! Buzz, buzz!
Mahina pa rin.
Brian looks like Ronnie's the bodyguard. Okay, bakers, this needs to be your biggest, baddest bake. So, we are giving you 12 hours to complete your cake. Good luck.
Sakto lang yung pinala sa
Final
video
time
process.
this season. It's time to go!
Okay, let's get this all organized.
I've got plans for you three.
We're in the finale. Are we on? Let's do this.
I can't believe I'm here.
I can't believe it either. I was walking a beat 2 years ago, and now I'm doing this. Crazy.
Hey Paul, do birds have a special place in your heart? Because I've seen a lot of birds.
They do now. Apparently, I'm a bird guy. I guess you could say my cakes are for the birds nowadays. But I'm concerned about the size and detail of the vulture. Do I have enough time? I don't know, man. I know how talented Andrea and Ronnie are, and I am intimidated. But I have a lot of confidence in my sculpting, and the speed of my sculpting. That's my wheelhouse. That's where I know I'm gonna knock this thing out. Oh yeah.
What flavor are you doing?
Love you so much,
It's gonna be
baby.
an Oreo cake with Oreo buttercream and then some chocolate pearl.
So so yummy.
I need 7 Oreos.
Let's try that.
Thank you for that. Good teamwork. While I'm doing this cake, I know I got my family too. My dad, my biggest supporter. I was a police officer for 30 years, and he treats me like his little boy still. I also have in the back of my mind that my dad's dealing with some medical stuff at home. He's a strong person, and that just motivates me to be strong here. I'm doing it for my dad.
Oh, your dad's gonna be so proud. You got this, man.
Thanks. You made me proud.
What's your going?
I would do my memory verse.
Tomorrow will be fun, but not in this.
Yeah, I think I'd like a lot longer to do it.
Do you know they say God will ward off evil spirits, so this could be a good omen for you.
I'm not eating. Have you done any big cakes before? Not this big. I've never done anything like this cake before. Because my cake has like a lot of circles and straight lines and squares, it's a challenge. There were like 5 on once and I finished. I love challenges, but it's pretty hard to get like straight edges perfect. Oh my god, that column is going to kick my butt.
Two big people can't be in the same kitchen, bro.
Let's toast it. I'm like something else going on.
Ronnie, what flavors are you doing right now?
I'm doing my daughter's favorite cake for the top, a Oreo cake.
Oh, yeah?
And then my second cake is a Bahamian French pina colada cake.
Nice.
Here's my motivation for everything.
Maybe ang lakas.
Seven, and her name is Reina. Hi, Reina! Hi, Reina! She's definitely gonna love that. I really need to win this and bring this home for my family because it would be great for us to be able to pay for a down payment for our house so we can have a better life. I'm sorry for everyone else, but it's go time. I'm holding
Pagkatakot naman.
pineapples coming in. I'm gonna chop it. Pineapple. Like the
Pineapple cake. Is that your specialty?
It's a flavor that is really popular in Chile.
Pineapple?
And I'm also adding some fire because
Gagawin niyang cake pineapple.
Ay!
Hindi ko masyadong favorite yun eh, yung pineapple. Hindi ko masyadong gusto yun.
Banana.
Oo.
Banana ice cream.
Ang sarap yun.
Yung may chocolate, tapos may tulog-tulog chocolate.
Tama.
Pursue your like your dreams and it's okay.
How you feeling about the Green Reapers or anything worrying you?
It's so tall and skinny. So be very careful about structure. Your cake could collapse. So you have to be very careful when around stacking, building that up.
Identify as tall as
It can do nothing. Oh my god.
Hi, Cheech!
Hi!
Kiss! Patingin. Ilan to?
Two.
Ito.
Ha? Two.
Wait,
Ako, bakit mo nagkaroon?
Cheech.
bakit masakit?
Kinis ko.
Kinis mo, tapos may muta.
Kinain ko! Sarap pa rin!
Bakit, Chich?
Wag
Hurt
mo
ba?
Hmm?
Hurt ba?
No.
Okay. Dapat kwento mo kay Ninong ginawa sa'yo ni Joy
Ano
Joy.
ginawa?
Chich, di mo kwento kay
Ano
Ninong.
ginawa?
Si Jojo pinaumay yung ano ko, yung...
What?
No, pinaumay yung panty ko. Puno mo, ganito.
Loko talaga yan si Joy Joy.
It's so soft. I'm using almond chocolate.
Yung kulokon talaga eh, no?
Almond chocolate, once it stacks, it stays into place. At least you see. Is it small or too big? Okay, then cut it. It feels really, really firm.
But I got too much cake, so I need to contact them.
For this, yes you are.
I feel a little anxious about it because it's just so tall and it's so very, very cute.
this much and as carefully as possible.
That looks good.
Makers, fun fact, all of our finalists live in Canada. Come on, Americans, where are they? The Canadians are coming for it all. What's going on up here, E?
So you think that's about right? Yeah. Now I'm gonna start pumping out these feathers. There are so many feathers on this monster. So I'm using tools. If I'm modeling it, I just gotta tap until those feathers are done. Let's see. Let's get a little perspective. I've been doing this for a short time than any of the bakers here, but I'm tapping into all the creativity I had as a child. I can't believe it here, but you know what?
Wow, cute nga. Tignan mo. Dapat nag-ano ka, nakaipit ka ng ganun para kasi... Ang ganda nga mag-makeup eh. Nak, mag-ipit ka ng ganun parang Harley Quinn. Love you.
Now that I've got the gargoyle on there, the only thing that we do is work on is
Paano ito kinakap?
I'll give them that now.
Nakamik ako.
To give the creases the most accurate as possible. You still have a lot of things to do, like adding the clay. It has so many balls, so much motion. I just get
Walang
more
idea kung ano dito.
just trying to add as many details as possible. Using a bit of modeling tool to get that rocky texture, so I can push that into the modeling tool, and it looks awesome. Okay, I'm gonna to hit that, I think. That looks good. The Grim Reaper 5 make his roll. I don't want this to be rolling on me.
1 hour left, bakers. There's nothing scarier than continuing to flop.
I am
Like low budget CG bats.
You're doing great. This vulture is like our brain. It's coming to life and it's looking just like the deep.
You can't.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I'm doing the face now.
I'm loving the airbrushing, but I'm slightly concerned about the color. I have to push tint to make sure the color is consistent with the see the beak is a little bit off. Yeah, right there. There's $46,000 on the line. So I'm actually working until it's just right. A little bit of black. It's looking pretty good.
So what do you think? I think we just need to like texture, right?
more black.
Black?
Yeah, you need black.
Just the creases.
Looks good.
30 minutes left.
Hey, Ronnie,
Hi,
what do you have going in the mixer?
royal icing
Where are you going to use it?
to add all of the column and the gargoyle to the texture. Because right now it's like one note, so I need to spice it up a little bit.
That looks just like the concrete. That's a good idea.
Yeah. The column and the gargoyle is smooth. Royal icing with the sponge. It gives the cake the texture of the concrete. It also dries like very matte. It just works for us. We need to get like the darker Lizardian.
Nakakat yung isa, bakit nga? Bakit nakakat yung isang lalaki? Babae ba siya?
Tingnan
Alam mo ba yung cake? Ano?
Yung hulaan, hindi ko alam kung ano dyan.
Andrea, Ronnie, just completed your monstrous cakes that are bigger, scarier, and more intricate than anything else this season. And one of you will take home the grand prize of $46,000. Here we go! King. Well, that
Saka magkano kayo?
is up to our judges right here. First up, actor, comedian. I don't know if you have any comments about your outfit.
Oh, of course, I'm Black Beetlejuice.
I'd see that movie today. Next, we have actor, comedian, and star of the Netflix stand-up special, Big Guy, Rachel Weiszman. I hear you come from the line of
Grandma bakes. She's upset with me. She thinks my husband like won't eat. When he comes home, he'll have nothing on the table. Oh no. Like, do you think my husband is at home right now just boozing and like banging a sweet potato on his phone?
And finally, she's a writer, producer, comedian, star of the Netflix stand-up special. It's Whitney Cummings! You have any
Ganda naman. Paipit ka na. Hindi na ipit yung green. Paipit ka yung green doon. Paipit ka yung green doon ah. Nak, may suklay ka yung green doon. Lagot ko yung Ate Joby, so pabalik mo yan dito ah.
to the finale!
Joy. Dito, ay. Gigi, tingnan si Joy.
Hindi mo nakakatakot eh.
Joy, kaya yung buhok mo yung galang-galang.
Hindi naman. Strong ako, hindi ako natatakot.
Bihin mo, naiinis ako sa panty na pinaamoy mo.
Hindi ko siya love. Sipain ko ah.
Spine part, sige na.
Fate of these city bakers rests in your wicked hands. Let's kick things off. Our first baker is Paul Brooks. Here we go. Take wall. Spin. Coming around. Sure. Can you find it? 20 seconds start now.
Okay. Look at what?
One looks too fuzzy to me.
You see fun? Two could definitely be cake. It looks like it's out in the wilderness because like looks like it's got some things caught in it.
10 seconds, judges.
I want to gnaw on three snaps.
To me, a machine tool that could be cake like that.
Yeah.
It could be throwing us off. Or it could be cake, but also medicine. That's it.
Could be medicine, yes.
5 seconds. Answer it.
If you're running up, these are numbers.
No, I know what you mean.
Three is looking like cake to me.
Mami, ano nakalagay?
Have.
Ha?
Have.
Ano to help me?
H-E.
H.
Oh, wait.
I think you look at the Aston Rose. They get to weigh in.
Have.
Okay, judges.
Yan.
Have you locked in?
Gee, huwag malapit ha. Masyado malapit.
What about this vulture scream cake?
A little too.
Ito mo ba? Kapag hindi ka mahirapan. Dito sa baba.
Or again, a middle.
Ganyan. Hindi ganyan ako. Yan. Hindi ka mahirapan.
Paul, if this is cake, you'll be up for elimination. If it's not, then you'll be in the running for the win. So let's find out. Is it
Hope it's not good.
Hold on, folks. Oh, I'm so sorry. That means you're facing elimination. However, this cake is astonishing. Look at that. But still got 2 spins left, so anything could happen. All right, spin number 2. Give it up for Andrea. Cakewalk. Power of the crows compels you to spin. Okay, judges. Andrea made a Grim Reaper headstone. Oh. Where do you think it's hiding? Starts now.
This is difficult.
Number 1 doesn't have any concrete. We've made it to concrete many a time. Number 2, do you see there's like a bump? Yeah. Number 2 is like a little bit.
10 seconds.
Look at 3, the hand's a different color.
Third on the hand seems like that could be fun.
This is how my mom dresses, by the way. What about 4? Like, I just have a gut instinct that it's not pink, I can't explain it.
That seems very real to me.
It feels like going through a dating app trying to figure out if you're getting catfished or not. He needs to focus on the hand. No, I know what you mean. Everything no, I know.
Time's up.
This one was really hard.
Wow. Okay, judges. Selected number 3.
First we thought because of the color of the hands, the color was a little bit different.
Are we confident in our selection?
No. So hard.
Should we see if you got it right? I want to know. Andrea, tricked our judges. You'll be into the big win today. And sadly, that will also be the end of the journey for you. So, let's find out. Is it cake? Congratulations, Andrea. You did it. You were the first baker to join the judges today. And you're in the running for today's big winner. Congratulations, Andrea. All right, judges. Now, you were also looking at number 2, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
Let's start. There we go. That is the game. Andrea, because Andrea tricked the judges and you did not, you are no longer in the game for the win today. However, you created some amazing pieces. Thank you. Give it up for Paul. Well done, Paul. Andrea, please come up and serve the judges a slice.
Chilean pineapple cake. I'm from Chile, and this is like a typical birthday cake. It has pineapple butter, slices of pineapple, and also mangkak, or so leches humano.
Insane. This is amazing. So good. Such a delightful inside with such a horrifying outside.
Yeah, it's like being a doctor.
All right. Walking out of here today with $46,000 and the title of Is It Cake Halloween Champion. You're in a really great spot right now. We are not done here yet. It's time for our 3rd and final spin. Here we go. Cake wall. Ronique made a gargoyle. Judges, let's see if you can find it.